How to change YouTube video quality permanently. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change video quality on YouTube permanently. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to permanently change video quality on YouTube, first of all you have to open the YouTube and here you have to click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner and click on settings here on top right corner. And here you can see video quality preferences, click on it. And from here you can change the video quality permanently. You can see I have selected auto recommended, which is by default. If I want to make this high picture quality, then I will have to click on second option if I want to use on mobile networks. But if I want to use it on Wi-Fi, then I have to click on second option, high picture quality on video quality on Wi-Fi. And if I select this, then this option would be permanently selected. So guys, in this way you can change the video quality on YouTube permanently. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.